Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Back up your NBA Live 19 game files first. Copy the main folder to a separate drive or zip the directory to prevent data loss. Find a reputable college mod pack from community sites. Verify it targets NBA Live 19 and includes roster, jerseys, arenas, and court textures. After downloading, run the NBA Live Mod Manager or follow manual install instructions. Replace roster. Bin files, add uniforms to the art folder, and update the XML team list so the game recognizes 5-on-5 college teams. Launch NBA Live 19 after installing the mod and open game settings. Set quarter length to 10 minutes to mimic college timing and choose Pro or Superstar difficulty for realistic AI. Ensure 5-on-5 is enabled and confirm any custom rules from the mod. Turn off NBA shot clock behaviors if the mod uses college rules. Adjust camera to baseline or broadcast depending on preference, and set performance targets. Aim for 60 FPS, medium-high visuals, and tweak player height and uniform fidelity sliders for authentic appearance. Adopt a motion offense with ball movement, reads, and dribble kick actions to create open shots near the paint and at the three-point arc. College three-point distance varies, but treat it like 22 to 23 feet for spacing. Defensively, prioritize paint protection. Collapse on drives, contest shots at the arc, and box out immediately to secure rebounds and start transition. Spend time in training mode practicing set plays, pick-and-roll timing, and quick outlet passes after defensive rebounds to exploit mismatches and score in transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.